that Toodles from Mickey Mouse? Yeah? Is that a cow? What does a cow say? What does a cow say? Where's Mickey Mouse? Is Mickey Mouse? Where is he? There he is. That's right, Bubba. Is he in his car? Mickey Mouse in his car. Does Mickey Mouse taste good? Good job. Mickey's driving. Where's Goofy? Where's Goofy? Hey, silly dude. Well, show me your animals. Where's your pig? Can you show Mommy the pig? Where's the pig? Can you show Mommy? Show Mommy where the pig is. Where's the pig?
No.
Oh. Right over here, Bubba.
No.
Right there. There's Toodles. Right there. There he is. Look at all your new animals, dude. Awesome. Look at all your new animals. Can you show Mommy where the pig is? There's the pig. What does the pig say? What does a pig say? You're not going to tell Mommy? There's an elephant. That's a big one, huh? Oh, there's Goofy. You found him. You found Goofy. Goofy and Mickey Mouse. Yeah, and there are their cars. Zebra. There's your zebra. And a lion and a leopard. Yummy leopard. Look at all those animals. And a kangaroo. Look at that kangaroo. Those are really cool, huh? Gotta taste them first. The pig. You got a lot of new toys, huh? Let's sit in Mommy's lap. Okay, we're gonna say bye-bye. This is a long video. You say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Hey.